In this video, I'm going to share with you a pretty cool website to make money online fast, no surveys needed. If you just have any social media account like Facebook, Instagram or anything else, you have this opportunity to make money online. Plus, I'm going to share with you a pretty cool way to have passive income. It's completely free to start, available worldwide, and you don't need any skills, any experience. Please keep watching. Hello, it's Ershad from United Braves. If you just found our channel, it's about entrepreneurship, mindset, online and offline marketing, and making money online. To watch more videos just like this video, please subscribe our channel and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. Make money online fast, no surveys needed. Create, get rewards, raise your influence. Everyone can be an influencer with this website. It doesn't matter how many followers you have in your Instagram account, Facebook account, Twitter accounts. You can earn money just by sharing posts on your social media. That's all. What you need is just sharing posts. It's one of the ways, one of the cool ways you can make money online with this website. As you see, the application is available on App Store and Google Play for Android and iOS. Both are available. And also how this website works. And you see, create, make a branded photo or video in seconds, share it with your friends on your social media, get paid, receive payments in 24 hours. It sounds really cool, sounds very interesting. If you have social media, you can start making money online with this website. Please keep watching this video because I'm going to share with you a really cool way, another cool way. It's really passive income for you if you want to make money online, because there is something very interesting in your city, in your area, in your country. Just you have this opportunity to make money online in this way, and this is really passive income if you want to make money online. This is one of the ways we create, post, get paid. I'm not gonna share with you right now the name of this website and application, because if I tell you, maybe you will directly go to the website and you don't know then what to do, and you will miss a really valuable way to make money online and have passive income. You see, just like this, and you can get paid by PayPal just to create a photo, a branded photo. For example, they will ask you to take a photo with this brand, with this product, or make a video for that just in seconds, in just some seconds, and then just share it with your friends on your social media, then get paid in 24 hours. Actually, you don't need to be waiting for the payment for a week or for a month. Just you will be paid after 24 hours. That's really great. Another way, another very cool way to make money online and have passive income with this website is like this. Earn up to $5,000 a month. Yes, really it is like this. As you see here, if you love a brand and know a relevant person there, please contact us. 5% of active campaign budget will be sent to your bank account monthly. Yes, it's really like this. If you really love a brand and know a relevant person there who works in that brand, you can just come to this website and let this website know, this company know about that brand, about your favorite brand, and that person's contact, because that you should have that person's contact. Then this company is going to call them, talk to them, and after that, if this company signs a contract with them and sets a campaign, you can earn 5% of active campaign budget, and it will be sent to your bank account. It's really like this, and it is really passive income for you. Just don't miss this opportunity, because in your city, of course, there are some brands that they are so unique, or in your country, so don't miss this opportunity. You can start making money online fast today, and you can have passive income. And the application and the name of this company is MNFST. Yes, MNFST, raise your influence. And actually the slogan of this company is everyone is an influencer, because of course it is like this. As I already told you, you can just create a photo or a video in just some seconds and then share this post, this photo, this video on your social media, on your Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and then just earn money by sharing posts like this. This is one of the ways. Another way is just you can earn and money and have passive income just by letting this company know, I mean MNFST, know about your favorite brand, about that person's contact, and then you can have passive income plus sharing posts. That's all what you need to do. And also there is another way, by your referrals. You can invite your friends, you can invite anyone that you know to this website, to this application, and then also earn money by your referrals. And it's really cool way if you want to make money online fast. And as you see, no surveys needed for this one, and it's really passive income for you. You see, become an influencer. There are just some screenshots here. You see eye-catching content, promote brands, and get rewarded. That's all. Withdraw instantly. As I already told you, just you don't need to be waiting for for this payment, I don't know, a month, a week. No, after 24 hours, automatically will be sent to your bank account. That's all. And also you can get paid by PayPal. It's really like this. And I'm going to actually I dropped the link below this video. You can click on this link to come to this website and also get this application downloaded on your cell phone and then start making money online. The website that I shared with you today is mnfst.com. And you see here is the all information that you need to know how it works. I already told you this is one of the way. And another way, just you should come here. If I can find here, yes, you should come here and click here bonuses, and then just click become a MNFST partner. Then you come over here, you see all the information here. Sorry, just where is it? Oh, here. Yes, become a MNFST partner and earn up to $5,000 a month. It's really just like this. You see, drop the contacts of a person working at a brand at this email. As I already told you, we make an intro about our platform for the brand, launch a campaign, and confirms you as a partner. That's all. And you will earn you get up to 5% of campaign's budget on your bank account, paid monthly. Plus this one, you have that opportunity to make money online by sharing posts, as I already explained for you. And also you have this opportunity to have passive income and also referral program. I mean, you can invite other friends, other people to this program, to this website, and make money online by doing that. So you have 3 ways to make money online fast, no surveys needed today, and you can start making money online today. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe our channel. Be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. If you have any questions, please let me know. Leave a comment below this video. I'll answer all your questions. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next videos. Please click. Please click. Subscribe our channel. Don't forget it. Subscribe our channel. Click. Subscribe. Click. Click. Subscribe. Subscribe. Click. I'm here waiting for you. Click. Subscribe.